time as students of Beavercreek City Schools.
It's our time to create memorable experiences as we start a great new school year.
It's our time to reunite as classmates, teammates, and friends.
To embrace academic excellence, our sports, our arts and music, and all the activities we love.
It's a time to come together. All grades, all schools.
Celebrating our school spirit.
As one district!
We are Beavercreek on a shared mission, working together as a district to not only reach our potential, but exceed it.
But our mission can only happen when we face challenges collectively and lift each other up.
Growing together and embracing our shared values rooted in our community.
With optimism, kindness, confidence, and resilience.
Engaging us all to overcome obstacles and achieve excellence.
Elevating as a cohesive district.
High school, middle, and elementary schools looking and feeling more unified.
With our Beavercreek black and orange school colors and our shared beaver mascot as one creek.
One district.
What mission?
One creek!
It's our time, our experiences to capture right now.